So this is the unboxing for this hanky to no. So this is the small one, guys, 16 inches. It's good for hand carry luggage. See, 16 inches. It's good. Hanker. Saan yung front nito? Ito yung ano niya. Amazon. Hanker. Chinese to, no? This is Chinese brand. Hanker. So we'll try it. So this one, oh, China. Hanky, not hunker. So this is the, then going to open it and easy. So we'll try to show you. Easy, guys, see? Very, and 3D, the wheel is 3D. And very small, look. And lights. So I'm going to open it. See, there's also TSA lock. See this one. So you can set your code. So when you place it inside, very tiny, 16 inch. See? So there's a compartment here, zipper here, then yeah, that one over. Oh, there's also pocket here, baboy. Oh, ganda. Very small, but so beautiful. Yan lang.